Okay, so we're going to continue with Cambridge Primary Mathematics. Okay, the checkpoint. We have Unit 2, numbers and sequences. Like before we go to Unit 2, let's do the getting started exercise. It's almost about revision from year 5 and year 4. So question number 1, they say these patterns of dots shows the first 3 square numbers. And we know what is a square number. A square number, it's a result from a number times itself. A number multiplied by itself. It will give you a square number. The question they ask us to write the first square numbers. When they say the first square numbers, we start from 1. 1 times 1 equals to 1. Then 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. And 7 times 7 is equal to 49. And 8 times 8 is equal to 64. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. And 10 times 10 is equal to 100. If you'd like to continue, after that, you have got, which is 11 times 11, 121, then 144, 169, 196, 225, 256, 289, 324, 361, and 400. This is the square of 20. Then you can continue like multiplying each number by itself. So question number 2, they say given the first term and the term-to-term rule. Write down the first 6 terms in a sequence. What I want you to understand always is what? Like they ask us to write the first 6 terms. I have got so many students, they do with a common mistake. That is going to say the first term is 4. They're going to start with 11. No, you need to start with the first term. The first term is 4. So you write the 4. And then after that, you keep adding to it. You know that 4 plus 7 equals to 11. Then after 4, you go to 11. Okay, now this is the second term. Now you go to the third term, you add another 7. It's going to give you 18. Then you go to the fourth term, you're going to add another 7. That will be 25. Then it will be 32. Then it will be 39. Now you have got 6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the first 6 terms. The same idea goes with the second question or question number 2 or number B. They say the first term is 2 and the term-to-term is add 9. So with the same idea, you start with the 2, then add 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. 29 plus 9 is 38. 38 plus 9 is 47. And there is also like a good trick for adding 9. Some students, they struggle with adding 9. If you would like to add 9 or to add 8, you can add 10 and subtract 1 for the 9 and add 10 and subtract 2 for the 8. For example, like say 2 plus 10 is 12. Minus 1 is 11. That means I'm adding 9. Okay, and continue with the same way. Number 3, they say these numbers, the numbers in this sequence increase by equal amounts each time. What are the 3 missing numbers? Some people, they start guessing number. They start by adding a different number. So they're going to add 5. They say 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 plus 5, 16. Then no, it doesn't work. Then you go to 5 and they choose different numbers. This will be waste of time. So the best way to know or to do is what? You need to understand, like whenever there are 3 missing numbers, that is mean you add your term to term is 4 times. How do we add it 4 times? According to what we know, because you just add 1 plus the term to term, to give you the second term. This is number 1. Then you add it again to get a third term. This is addition number 2. Then you add it again to get the fourth term. This is addition number 3. Then you add it again to get the 13 is over here. That's mean you added addition number 4. So like acting smart, what you need to do is just what? Look at the last term that's given, which is 13, minus the first term, that is equals to 1. So the answer will be 12. Some students, they say this 12 divide 3. So to get the 3 numbers. No, this 12, you will divide it by 4. Why? Whenever they're missing three numbers, that means you're going to add the term to term 4 times. If the missing numbers are 5 numbers, that means you're going to add it 6 times. So because we're going to add this number 4 times, we're going to divide the 12 by 4. And that answer is equal to what? Is equal to 3. This 3 is a term to term rule. Then you will say what? Like you've got here 1. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. Then 4 plus 3 will get you 7. Then 7 plus 3 will get you 10. And 10 plus 3 will get you the 13. So this is exactly what you want. Okay, continuing, number 4. They say here is a set of numbers. And you have got 2, 4, 6, 12, 24, 36, and 48. They ask us, first of all, to choose all or to choose 3 multiples of 12. And they ask us here to choose 3 factors of 12. No, please, to understand, to differentiate between multiples and factors. Multiple, it comes from the word multiply. That is mean you take the number and you multiply it. Like multiples of 12, that means we're going to take the 12 and we multiply it. Like 12 times 1 equals to 12. And 12 times 2 is equals to 24. Then 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Now those are 3 multiples of 12. You can put in addition also the 48 if you'd like to do so. Okay, but 3 is enough. Then they ask us here to choose 3 factors of 12. We know factors is a number that we could multiply them together to give us this number. Like when we say factors of 12, any numbers, when we multiply them together, they give us their product is 12, is going to be factors of 12. Like 2 is a factor of 12 because we've got 2 multiplied 6 give us 12. 4 is also a factor of 12 because 4 multiplied 3 give us 12. And 6 is also factors of 12. Okay, 6 times 2. And we can put in addition the 12. Okay, from here, if we see, we could see like 12 is a factor of 12 and 12 is a multiple of 12. So we come to one fact. Every time and forever, any number, it's a multiple of itself and it's a factor of itself. That's it.